Exponential examples. Solve for x. 5 raised to x is equal to square root of 1 by 25. Answer: 5 raised to x is equal to square root of 1 by 25. We have to write it as 25 to the power of minus 1. 5 raised to x is equal to square root of 25 5 square whole to the power 5 square is 25, 5 is 25 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Squaring both sides, we get 5 to the power of x whole square is equal to square root of 5, 2 ones are 2, here minus 2 whole square. Therefore 5 to the power of x into 2 is 2x is equal to square root gets cancelled here, 5 to the power of minus 2. Both side base same, therefore cancel. 2x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 divides 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is answer.